Welcome to ATP Customs. This is the final video before this 93 Foxbody Mustang convertible leaves the shop. It's now finally going home to its new owner, and he will be getting ready for the next stage of this thing, which will be a 6-speed transmission and a whole interior and stereo system. It currently just has the Mopac racing seats, pistol grip shifter with a T5 still, and a stock interior. The color on this car is from a 2017 Mustang. It's got a ton of metallic in it. That is a used body kit that we found. It was definitely tough to fit and constantly fighting the plastic not working with you. One thing I forgot in my last video is it does have all bare brakes on it. That was a really nice upgrade. 315, I believe they were Nittos. The extended flares I did in my first video, but a few people have been asking to see them better. So yes, we had to cut along this line here and actually pull the whole factory molding out because I wanted to keep the factory molding and weld metal in here. Had to trim all through here to make room for the 315s, lose the extra shock inside. It does have all the BBK upper and lower control arms. It will be getting a new roof as well. Trying to remember everything I did to this thing. New windshield. I'll start at the engine and work my way down to the manifold. So it is a 347 stroker built by Steve Brandt. It's got a 560 lift cam. That's all I can remember. He passed away, and we don't know the details on the rest of what's inside. It's Eagle crank and Keith Black. It's a typical 347 stroker kit. A Typhoon manifold. We have an Edelbrock 70mm throttle body going down to a BBK Cold Air Intake and a BBK matched mass airflow. Had to do a Bama chip so that this thing would run. Have not finished tuning that, but it does run just awesome. Apparently has 3 different settings we can use, and I'm running on the stock setting right now, so there is more horsepower in this thing hidden. Yes, a lot of people hate the eBay headlights. I love them. The customer loves them. BBK long tube headers into a BBK X-Pipe and Magnaflow 4-inch exhaust. They're just I think they're 14-inch body, 4-inch round, 2.5-inch inlet and exit. It is really obnoxious. eBay taillights, and they actually work really well. They're very easy to install. So I'll hit it for you so you can hear it inside. Go. And that's it for that one. Excuse me. It is leaving next week, going to its new home. Love this car, but time to make room. We got some more monsters coming in. Thanks for watching.